This is Indonesia.
Back the corner to behind it. Here's Marcelino. What kind of a touch? Romani! We'd have thought two Oxford United players representing Indonesia in an Asia World Cup qualifier.
Indonesia is one of 11 Southeast Asian countries, member of Asian Football Federation, that recently just won against Bahrain in the third round of 2026 World Cup Asian Qualifiers, and they're still on track. Here's the lineup of Garuda team when they play against Bahrain. As you can see, most of them look very European, because they are. Even though they were not born in Indonesia, but they have the blood in their veins to make them eligible to be naturalized. On the pitch, they're Indonesian by blood and citizen by law. They were eligible for other nationalities, but they choose to be Indonesian. Some of them are still holding affidavit status. Some are natural-born citizen, and some are simply citizen via parents. And they have become sort of player reserve for the national football team in the future. Take a look at this graph. As we can see, the number of players naturalized by PSSI has been skyrocketing. The highest number was in 2024, when they naturalized 11 players in a year. In 2025 alone, PSSI have naturalized 5 players, and it will likely surpass the previous year's number. PSSI have collaborated with multiple agents to find Indonesian blood players. Under President Thohir, PSSI have naturalized 22 players if we compare the previous 3 players under Muhammad Iriawan. Long before becoming an international attention, in 2010, PSSI naturalized a Uruguayan-born player who then became a legend, Christian Gonzalez. The government has joined to collaborate and double the effort to find foreign-born players by providing them easier legal way to be naturalized. Recently, President of PSSI appeared in a House hearing to talk about 3 players who will be naturalized to play for Indonesian national football team against Australia and Bahrain. The hearing was hosted by Commission 10 of the House of Representatives of the Republic of Indonesia. Other PSSI officials also attended the hearing, together with Deputy Minister of Youth and Sport. After those 3 names get approved, the discussion will proceed to a working meeting with Commission 13 of the House of Representatives of the Republic of Indonesia, together with Ministry of Youth and Sport and Ministry of Law and Human Rights. But wait a second, how do we get here? How almost all players previously had the same nationality before they become Indonesian citizen? How these European players have connection and eligible to be Indonesian? You can see that this flag has the most appearance from these players, the flag of the Netherlands. But how? But as you have expected, I'm not talking about bloody history between both countries. I will talk about how to become Indonesian citizen. Even though they were not born in Indonesia, but they will have the blood in the vein to make them. Even though they were not born in Indonesia, but even though they were not born in Indonesia, but they have the blood in their veins to make them eligible to be naturalized. Wow.